Do you believe Bitcoin and Ethereum will continue to dominate the crypto market in 2025, or we will see a shift towards new technologies or new tokens or new class of assets?
Everything is going around this further crypto adoption and this Bitcoin reserve. Now it's not a Bitcoin reserve, it's a crypto reserve now, yes, in US. This actually not only in US. A lot of the governments in the world are talking about this, are planning around this, are preparing the laws in these regards. Obviously, once the US or any other major state will create this will be another great use case for the crypto. Some might say it's not going to be that beneficial, right? Because this portion of the crypto will be taken out from the market, so this will create like a lower liquidity for everyone else to do. But this use case will prove crypto so much. And I think the recent trends with like meme coins, etc., they will be going away. Let's not forget that we are in the middle of the bull market, right? So I really expect that Q1, Q2, Q3, we will see very shortly an exponential growth.
How do you see the role of institutional investors evolving in crypto space in 2025, and what impact will this have on the market?
Considering the fact that Bitcoin itself was introduced as a pure payment system, and today almost like MicroStrategy is kind of a leading in terms of institutional capital, and with all the ETF approvals and money flowing in, we saw that like how much power the institutions are holding.
There is one question that's interesting about the institutionalization, as you mentioned. Fact that we are more and more connected to traditional finance, etc., because they managed to do with gold something that will be very interesting to see if they manage to do it with Bitcoin as well, which is there's right now I think the titles around gold that are being sold is actually with a ratio of 10-1 compared to the actual physical gold that this ownership contains. So the reality of that means that there are about like 10 people owning the same physical gold, which is obviously impossible to actually own. Then the question becomes, will they be able to do such a thing with Bitcoin as well? Because with gold, they were not supposed to manage to do it, right? It's a physical asset that people should have the ownership over. It will be interesting to see how it goes with Bitcoin, knowing that there are alternatives that are far easier than traditional market brokers, platforms, etc., to access ownership.